Today we're going to bring a guitar hanger. Now we're going to take a look at it and we're going to see what you get when you get something like this. So just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it and see what we get. So when you first get this, you want to be able to make sure you can support the weight, right? That's very important. And on top of it, I like that they give you the actual systems to actually mount this system into your guitar. So these are very important. If you guys never use these, they're pretty simple. You drill a little tiny hole and then you just basically just twist these in there. They go in there and then the metal ones go over them. All right. Very simple to set up. So we're going to set this up and we're going to put this for our guitar and our ukulele also too, because we bought pretty expensive equipment that we don't want to just put it on the floor. And if you guys notice, they give you not one, but they give you three. And let's take a look at them, how they look. Basically, they have the hangers, rubber ends here, so you won't damage on the guitar neck or the ukulele neck when you rest it. You don't want to make sure you scratch it. So this is well secure plastic in here, mixed with a little rubber in there, right? So a lot of stuff that people hang in these guitars, they tend to fall or break because either they don't have the support or the backing. Just make sure that wherever you're going to set this up on a drywall or wood back panel or even cement, for the cement, you're going to require different types of screws, but for wood and drywall, these are perfect for those. So a hole to it, but before I do that, I want to make sure I could twist these. If I could twist it sideways like that, just that part, it'll be helping me out a lot. I don't want it too high. I want it perfect, lined up. Drill one hole just a little bit so I could know where to go. One hole there. There's the other one. So I just marked them so I can know exactly where I'm going to drill. There's one. There's two. To this one. It's nice and sturdy. Twist it. Now that we have it there, look at that's beautiful ukulele. Hang it there. We're all set. If you guys see it. So you can see it. It's hanging now. We got it here. We're gonna put our guitar up and running. So let's go ahead and do the guitar next. All right. This is our midnight blue Fender that we have here. Look at the actual neck. This is what I'm talking about. This is plastic. It's messed up already. It's huge for it. It rattles. We're gonna set this up in a better place. So we have that there, and now we're gonna have to place this one somewhere else. So let's go ahead and do that. Two. Then we get our guitar. Put the weight on it. And that's it. Here we got our Fender here, hanging there now. We no longer gonna need this, of course. And then we got our ukulele here at this corner. Easy to install, plenty of weight. I like it. Sturdy, beautiful, stylish. I hope you guys enjoy the video.